Doing only in the room, feeling slowly. Oh, you know me, yeah. Meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone.
Good morning, y'all. It's Lauren Kennedy and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is spending another week with me living alone. So as you guys may or may not know, I recently had my graduation party to get some things for my apartment, and today I have to go to the store and get a few things. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I ended up going to Dollar Tree, and I ended up getting all this stuff. I got seasonings, trash bags, only for like $40. Like, y'all, the dollar store, I got 5 full bags of stuff for like $40-$50. Like, y'all need to go to the dollar store. But I just been riding around. I'm gonna go into Target, and then like later on I have to finish building my furniture. So that's what I'm about to do. I like North Carolina is so much different from Maryland because they have everything and it's not like jumbled together, and they have like a super Target. I don't remember the last time I seen like a super Target, super Walmart with grocery, all that. Like, so I'm about to go in there and explore. I'm probably not gonna buy anything, but I'm gonna go in there and explore and see what's going on. So
she look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV.
y'all, this Target. Y'all, I'm obsessed with planners. Like, I don't really like the cover, but
A few moments later.
alright, y'all, so I'm back home and I got all this stuff from the dollar store. I'm gonna give y'all a haul because y'all be sleeping on a dollar store. The dollar store be having everything, but I have so much stuff I have to put away, and I also want to build my chair for like my living room. I need to like kind of organize everything because stuff is kind of all over the place. So I need to put everything like in a pile and then kind of go from there, because I have stuff that I got from my graduation party, and then I have like stuff that I still have yet to put away. So I'm gonna kind of put it in a pile and then kind of go like work from there. But in the meantime, I'm gonna build my dining room table because I don't have one, and I want to build my chair. So my chair is pink and I got it from Wayfair. I'm gonna put that together. It said it should be easy to build, but from the look of this furniture that I've had to build, it seems like nothing is really like easy and straightforward. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't start sweating and stuff because bruh, it's a hot mess. Also, y'all, I met my neighbor today and she's really nice. She says she will make me plates and stuff, like Spanish food, and if y'all know me, y'all know I love me some Mexican food. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to move some of the stuff out the way and then build this chair.
I look good to me. Your secret biggest fan is still your friend. We can chill with everyone. I need some more intimate. You got for thugging times you get off it. Well, I'm thugging to the beach. Baby, join me if you can. All these years never said a thing. Knowing me is probably not hard to tell. I can lose seeing you casually. All my nights sleeping well.
it's already built.
Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Damn, it's just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Just a little baby. I'm getting way too old to crush. She from the A with a little boy. I wanna take her somewhere tough. Could cover, but she making them. She on the stage with everyone. Yeah, baby, she tough. Just cop the merch to show support. I hope she's kicking it up. All these years, I just say one thing. You got friends and they know my body well. Can't be mad, my business out in the streets. I still hope you come
Diaries of Living Alone. I am eating chicken nuggets and some chips and some water. I'm on FaceTime. And I'm sitting at my new table, y'all. Not at the counter anymore, so. Alright, y'all, so it is July 11th. And that means 7-Eleven is giving away free Slurpees. So guess what I'm about to do? Get free Slurpees. And my stuff from IKEA was supposed to be delivered at 5. It's 3:25 now. So I'm gonna head out, hurry up and get back, and then just kind of go through all of my stuff and start writing thank you cards in the meantime, because I have a lot of stuff that I have to go through. So that's what I'm gonna work on. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go get me my free Slurpee because I love me a Slurpee, and especially a free one. Yeah, I just put my electricity in my name, but this is what my apartment's looking like. So my couch, my chair, and the Amazon lights that I got. I'm gonna create an Amazon storefront to link like everything that I got. But yeah, and I put my dining table up yesterday too. So, but besides like the mess in here, bro, like it's coming together, y'all. All these pillows aren't gonna be here. Yesterday I fell asleep on my couch last night, so don't mind that. It's just super cozy. So yeah, this is my apartment so far. I can't wait to put a mirror up there. I think it'll open up the space so much. My bedroom, I have to clean this up too. So yeah. Y'all, I'm so glad I rode out and got this Slurpee. I was able to see all these houses in this area, like another area of North Carolina, and get my Slurpee. I also got some chips because I have not ate all day. So good. They made these cups so big, it seems like. For it to be a small, it's huge. It's like, why? Yum. Alright, y'all, as y'all may or may not already know, I recently got the Rihanna anti-vinyl maybe like a month ago, and it was black. So for one of my graduation gifts, Jordan got me she got me the red EP, y'all, and I was so pressed. Like, I said EP, I meant LP, the red vinyl, and I'm so pressed to finally have this in my collection because I was so mad because I wanted the red one so bad. So now I have the black and the red, and I was like, okay, it shouldn't be an issue because a lot of vinyl record collectors have 2 of some albums in different variations. So I was like, okay, it's cool. I'll have the black and the red. When I don't want to play the black, I'll play the red. When I don't want to play the red, I'll play the black. So I'm gonna open it because I'm so pressed, and I'm gonna put it over there in my collection because I'm pressed. And what about it? So speaking of, I've been obsessed with Party Next Door's new song Resentment. If you know me, you know I love me some Party. 5 o'clock, my IKEA stuff still hasn't been delivered. But if you know me, you know I love Party. And I think people think that because he makes sad music and his music is also sexual, like I'm either sad or, you know, in that mood. And it's just like, no, his music has honestly gotten me through a lot of things. Like in high school, when I mean got me through, it's not like motivated me, but like when I was going through certain things, I would turn him on and it would like soothe me, just kind of like match the mood I was feeling, but also kind of get me through stuff, especially like when I was really down. So I just listen to him, like, and he makes good music. He knows how to write, and his songs are like music you've never really heard. I like the fact that none of his songs sound like something that you've heard before. It's literally all its own sound. It's like its own genre of music almost. Can't really explain it. It's kind of like dark R&B, but it's not. I've been obsessed with Resentment, and I was playing it back to back on my way back from 7-Eleven. Like, it's just so slow. Y'all see what I mean. I'm about to play it.
There you go. party still running. You ain't gon' keep me out of path. I'll be going through your mind. Staying out past 5, but don't get it. All that I do is resent you now. You right now.
So this is the thing. I took the red sticker off and put it on here because I'm gonna be able to like differentiate between the black and the red. This is in Braille. Y'all, I'm so pressed because I wanted the red so bad. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I can already tell this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. So pressed to have this in my collection, bro. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go through all my gifts that I got from my graduation party, and then I'm going to write them down so I can write everybody a personalized thank you note. Let me get the thank you cards. I'm gonna show y'all. I got them from the dollar store. Everyone's going to get one. Well, this one has 6 in a pack, but some of them have 6 and some of them have 8. So I got them. I'm gonna go through. I'm not gonna record me going through everything. I'm just gonna kind of show y'all everything once I have it out. But yeah, I'm super excited. And then I think I'm gonna start putting some of this stuff away as well.